Hi, welcome to 203 Elaine. This is in Cedar Ridge. The house is a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath. It has the cutest fixtures and decor that you're gonna find. And it is actually located in the Vickers school district right now. I believe when we start school next year, it will change over to Charlemont and Cade and West. But this home sits on half an acre. Again, 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bath, and it is probably one of the least expensive homes for this school district area. So you definitely want to come and see it. It does have a bonus room, indoor laundry, and it's ready for you. We've got new flooring, new indoor paint, a brand new bathtub with the tile surround, and a little bit of shiplap in some of the bedrooms that you're gonna really love. Give me a call and I'll show it to you. My number is 361-935-7301. That's 361-935-7301. I'm Joyce Mitchum with Shaw Realty. Give me a call.